I was rear-ended. There was 2 other vehicles involved. I was the lead car, and yeah, impacted from the back, had some damages, some injuries. It was my neck and my back from the jerking motion of being impacted from behind. I chose you. My niece works for you. It's been great. Really, I've been over what? This may only have been my 2nd time over. Everything was taken care of over the phone. Jasmine was a great help. Jasmine, she was really great. She took the lead. I definitely would. Best experience I've had. Everything was great. It truly was. Choose Brooks Law.